Hello everyone, this is Hassan. Today I'm going to explain in details one of the important concepts in electric circuit. Series and parallel are the fundamental approach to analyze and understand the circuit components. It's crucial and important because it's give you a clear idea and deep understanding how the power is distributed inside any circuit. So let's start with the series circuit. So we can say this circuit has series component when they attain two simple rules or two simple conditions. First condition is they has to form one single loop. Here's the loop, and when they achieve one single loop, then we can say all these series components share the same current. It's important to remember that series components have the same current, and to find the resistance equivalent for any given series circuit, then we just have to sum up the given resistance, R1 plus R2 plus R3. When you guys have a circuit class, you will be introduced to a breadboard during the lab or during any workshop that has a circuit analysis. So here's the breadboard example with the three resistors in series. The power starts from here and it's connected here and it's go to here, and that's from the given circuit. So here is a practical example in a series circuit. It says in the given circuit, find the IS and R equivalent, and B, find the voltage in each resistor. So we know that to have a series circuit, we have to attain two simple rules that we mentioned earlier. So let's start with A. So here's the circuit, and it's for one loop. So that's achieved the first rule. So we can say this circuit has series components. So to find R equivalent in series circuit basically is the sum of the given resistors. So 2 ohms plus 5 ohms plus 7 ohms, and the total will give me 14 ohms. To find IS, or the total I, we can just use the Ohm's law. V equal RI and I equal to V divided by R. That will give me 14 volt divided by 14 ohm, and that will give me 1 amps. So here's we achieved the first part of the problem, R equivalent and IS. Now we have to go to the second part of the problem, where it says find the voltage in each resistor. Okay, so if you guys remembered, we said if we have circuits in series, the I is the same, or the current is the same. You have really keep that in mind because it's so important in the future for your circuit analysis class. So since the I is the same, so we just have to basically go through each resistor and find the voltage. And by doing that, we will just use Ohm's law. So in the resistor 2 amps, V equal I R, and we know I is 1 amps, So 1 amps multiplying 2 ohms, that will give me 2 voltage. So for the second one, 5 ohms, use the same Ohm's law. That's give me 1 amps. Remember, the current is the same in a series circuit. 1 amps multiplying 5 ohms, that will give me 5 volt. Finally, the 7 ohms equal to 1 amps multiplying the 7 ohms, and that will give me 7 volt. And if you guys want to make sure, you will find out the sum of you guys will find the sum of all voltage equal to the total voltage. So the sum of them, that's all sum up to become 14 volt, which is basically the same as the given voltage source. And that was the example for series circuit. I hope it's clear to understand.